Today I'm going to show you how you can create and modify a shape in Microsoft Word, and also I will show you how you can position your shape in between the paragraphs. Not only that, I will also show you how to add text to your shapes. So watch the video till the end, but before that subscribe to my channel and also visit my Microsoft Word playlist of this channel to see more tutorial videos on Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So in order to add a shape in Microsoft document, first of all you have to go to the Insert tab here. Click on that and here you will see a shape options. Here you can see a variety of shapes. The many shapes like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, and stars and banners and call outs. For example, let's use a shape here. Let's go for this rectangle. Let's draw this rectangle anywhere here. And now I'm going to add one more shape. Let's go for a circle, I guess. And here I'm also going for, you can also select different shapes from this shape format tab. Click on that and here you can choose any shapes you want. Let's go for the star, and I am adding the star shape here. So guys, you can see I have added three types of shapes. You can also add the arrows if you want. So now I'm going to show you how you can modify your shapes. It's very simple. First of all, let's go for this rectangle here. For example, I want to add some colors to this rectangle. You have to click on this shape fill. Click on that and there you will see different colors for your rectangle. Let's use this yellow one here. You can also go for this shape outline option, and here you can, for example, I'm selecting the green color here, or you can also go to the more outline colors and here you can choose different colors. Let's go for this green one, or you can also go for the standard one and here you can also choose the different colors and you can click on OK, and you can see I have created a green outline to this rectangle. Or you can go to the shape outline and here you can also increase the weight for your outline. So let's go for some thicker outline here. So now it looks impressive, and now you can also again go to this shape outline and you can also go for the sketch options, and here you can change the outline of this rectangle. You can select different lines. I'm choosing this scribble here. Or you can again go to the shape outline and here you can choose different dashes. Let's go for this dash here. And now you can see I have changed the outline of this rectangle. So you can do one more thing. Let's go for this circle here. And you can also go to this shape effects. Let's do one thing. Let's bring this circle here so that you can see better. Now I'm going to include some effects to this shape. Let's go to the shadows here and here you can choose different shadows for your circle. And if you go to the reflection here, you can also choose a reflection to your shape. And if you glow, you can choose different glow options in order to highlight your circle in the Microsoft document. Let's go for this green one here. I'm clicking on that. Or you can also add soft edges to your circle. Or here you can also add bevels to your circle here to make it looks more cooler. And you can also rotate your circle to different angles. So in this way, you can create different effects to your shape. So the cool thing is that you can also first of all select this shape and you can also choose different layouts from this option. Here you can choose any color you want. Let's choose this green color and also choose an outline for it. Let's go for the orange color here. So you can see I have chosen this layout from these options. There are more layouts available. You can choose any of them. So again, you can select this circle here and now you have to click on the right click. If you click on the right click, you can see there's an option format shape. Click on that and here you have to click on the fill. If you do not want to fill your circle, you can select no fill. Or you can also go for the solid fill and you can also choose the gradient fill. And there are also many pictures or texture fills available. You can also choose from that. And you can also increase or decrease the transparency. Or you can insert the picture in this circle using any of the options. If you have already saved the image in your laptop, you can also select this option. Or you can go for the stock images, online pictures, and from icons. So you can select any of that. And you can also go for this pattern fill. And here you will see I have created different patterns to my circle here. You can choose any patterns from this option. There are more patterns available. So let's choose this pattern, and I want to also color the background of this pattern, so you can also do that. Scroll down and there you will see an option foreground. You can also color your pattern. You can choose any color. Let's go for this red color. And again, you can also select the background color here. Let's choose the yellow color, I guess, orange color. Or you can choose green color for that, and it will create a green background to your pattern. Or if you go for the blue color, it will create blue color to your pattern here. So in this way, you can select different fill options here in the format shape. So let's go to the star, and you can also do one thing. You can also select this line option. If you do not want any outline, you can click on no line. It will not show any outline. Or you can go for the solid line, and you can also choose the gradient line here. So you can also choose different colors for your line from this option. For example, first of all, you can select any color. Let's go for this blue color. And you can also increase the width of this outline from this width option, or you can go for the sketched style, and you can choose different styles here. Or you can also go for this transparency. You can transparent your line here based on your preference. Or you can also go to this dash option here. You can choose different dashes. So in this way, you can choose different outline and colors for your shape. And in this way, you can modify your shape, guys. Or you can also select this option here. And you can also choose the shadows, reflection, everything from here too. And after doing the changes, click on this close button and it will be saved to your document here. So now I'm going to show you how you can add a text in any of these shapes. For example, let's choose this square and I want to add text to this square. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to right click and you have to click on this option, add text. Click on that and now you can type any text here. Let's go for hello. You can also select this text and increase the size of this text. Let's go for 24 and also change the font of this text. Or you can also choose different color for your text here. Let's go for this yellow color. Or you can also click on this U icon to underline your text, and you can also change this to italics or bold. So you can also go for the styles option, and here you will get different other styles which you can choose from. So in this way, you can add text in your shape. So guys, you can also rotate your shape here anywhere you want. So you can also do that. So basically, you can also increase the size of your shape, but I want to bring this shape to the front of this circle. As you can see, it's on the back side. I want it to the front side. So what you have to do is you have to right click on this rectangle and then you have to click on bring to front. Click on that and now it will come in the front of the circle here. And if you want to bring it to the back side, you can right click again and click on send to back. It will send it back to the circle. Or you can press the undo button or like Control Z to bring it again forward. So guys, you can also select the text color from this option, A option here. You can select different colors from this option. Or you can also go for this gradient option here and choose any of that. There are light gradients available and dark gradients available. You can choose any of that. Or you can also select this option to get a cool outline for your text. Or you can also choose it from this A option here. You can get more options, glow, reflection, everything. You can choose any of that. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to position your shape in between the paragraphs. So first of all, let's select this shape and let's copy this shape and paste it anywhere in this document. Let's go for this one here. And now you can see this shape is over this text. I do not want to do that. So for that, you have to select this shape here, click on this shape format. And here you will see an option position. Now you can position this anywhere on this document. Let's go for this position here. Now you can also drag your star anywhere. The text and paragraph will move according to it. So you can see I have a different space for now for my star, and the text is there alongside to the star here. So in this way you can position your star anywhere in between the text lines or the paragraphs. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please visit my Microsoft Word playlist of this channel to watch more of these tutorial videos, and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of my future videos. So thank you for watching.